Next one, we have a beautiful dressing room here. This is a dressing room that is found at Calabash FNB Stadium. It is the dressing room of the home team. Unfortunately, it has been captured. It now belongs to Kaizer Chiefs FC only, just because this is their home ground, not because they've built the Calabash or not because they've contributed a cent at Calabash. Here they just come and decorated it and all those stuff. What's really worrying here, is the fact that this dressing room, when they are changing in this dressing room, they have a capability and capacity of beating small teams alone. I can name them each and every one of them. Stellenbosch got hammered here in this dressing room. We have Golden Arrows that got hammered in this dressing room. Sekhukhune and Golden Arrows. If I'm not mistaken, or if we don't